What is good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you to one of the most stunning places in Sumba, Waikrui Lagoon. And this lagoon is absolutely unreal. Crystal clear water, natural rock formations, and the perfect spot for swimming and drone shots. It is honestly one of the most beautiful lagoons we have ever seen. And the best part is we're staying nearby at ARYA Sumba in Kodi, on the west side of the island. It's peaceful, scenic, and the perfect base for exploring this part of Sumba. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump into our adventure in Sumba. Welcome back to KiMoe Vlogs, guys. We are now in Sumba. It is actually unreal in this place already. I don't know if you can tell, there's literally nobody here.
We are on, well, we knew it's going to be a deserted island, but we feel like we've got the whole place ourselves. What we've done, we've just checked into our hotel, which is ARYA, which is on the west side of Sumba, and we thought we'd just quickly run out to see what the coastline is like. And oh my god, shall we give them a little sneak peek? Look at the water, crystal clear waters.
Not only that, it's low tide.
It's lovely sand, and there's no one here.
There's literally nobody here but us.
I feel like I'm in Castaway.
At the moment, so we have checked in, we dumped all our luggages and whatnot. We've come down to the water just to have a quick look. I think we're going to get something to eat.
Yes, because it's lunch. But yeah, can't just wait to soak it up and explore this island a little bit more.
See you in a bit.
Just rented a little one, not a big bike, and we're gonna go check out Sumba for the first time and leave the resort. We're gonna check out a lagoon, make sure we can make our way there for tomorrow's trip. Does it suit you? Yeah, size wise. Yeah, because this one's a big one. We don't want this powerful one, just in case. But I've got this little scooter, which is perfect for us. And I have got my helmet on, all ready to go. This could be our last moment.
This helmet is like Star Wars.
They did say it's the Mars helmet.
And also it's kind of like I'm a racer or something. Right, let's see.
Well, you could be on these roads. Here we go. Ah! I think I did anyway. Good ride? So is mine. I've got helmet head. Don't be shy for the camera.
Like rider's head.
You look alright. Look at all these ARYA cars. Pretty cool. Like, you can't get lost of what hotel you're staying at if you drive one of these. As well, that shade of green. How cool. Right, we're going to take a dip by the pool now. Let's go. It is what time?
It's 5:45 and the sun's starting to go down.
Look, can you show you the sun?
Yeah, very much. Well, you can't see it from there probably,
No?
But it's very much like golden hour at the moment. Yeah, we're going to go down and have a quick drink watch the sun go down. Hello.
Might jump in the pool, right?
Yeah, maybe dip our feet in the pool. I was going to say dip my pool in the feet.
So backwards.
Yeah, it's been such a good day so far.
It has been.
Feels like we've been here for ages.
We love a bike ride, don't we?
But yeah, there's something about just being on a bike makes you feel so free, so open.
Oh, golden hour. Spin you around so you can see the view. Look at that. Check out these little hut things to sunbathe in. The sun's going down on the softest sand on our feet. What more could you ask for? So we have just finished watching the sun go down. It goes down so quick here. Absolutely beautiful. This place is pretty deserted. There's only a few of us, some cute kids on the beach over there playing. But yeah, we're just gonna chill, have a drink. The food was alright at lunch, wasn't it?
It was pretty decent, to be fair. Thank you so much. Makasih. We haven't eaten meat for the past 4 days. So we were pretty excited to have some chicken.
You wanna cheers? What have you got there?
My favourite Long Island ice.
He's gonna get very drunk and smash. How's it? Strong? It's gonna be a long night.
All I could taste was tequila.
We're gonna explore more of Sumba tomorrow, get on that bike. But yeah, there's so much of Sumba to see. This is just day one, so more of that to come. Cool, we'll see you later. Bye. Hey guys, so we are off to the lagoon this morning. We're just walking over to the bike and it's going to be a short ride. 15 minutes, isn't it, Boo?
Not too far. Very sunny today. We've had some brekkie, which is good.
Mm-hmm. We do it on the...
So guys, I don't know if you can hear us properly, but we've got a 14-minute drive over to the lagoon, Waikrui Lagoon, and it's quite a straight road all the way there. However, there is a little bit of gravelly road where it's like unfinished, so I've got to be really careful here. Also like swinging the scooter around. If you do feel a bit of shakiness, it'll be because of that. Pagi. Today we are at Waikrui Lagoon. So yeah, it's been really beautiful this morning actually. Not too hot, it's just perfect, right. Yeah. And we've just come straight after breakfast and the water looks incredible this morning. Super clear, super green, and yeah, it's just, I can't wait to get back in.
What time is it? It's about 10. So this is a good time to come when the tides are high. So we worked out when tides are high and low. It tends to be high in the morning, so that's why we're here. Can't wait to jump in really.
You know, just as an idea of how much things cost, it's about 20 IDR to get in. If you have like a scooter, you might be able to get in for 20 for 2 people as well. 20, but depends on who you are and if you're a tourist, etc. For super inexpensive to be here, and what a beautiful place. So we can't wait to get in. We'll give you a shout in a sec. Right guys, you would have quickly seen a little bit of drone footage going on here from Waikrui. It's been absolutely beautiful here. The water is fine, very calm, not too much of a current, but yeah, it's been absolutely amazing here. There's been quite a few people that have arrived, quite a few Londoners here, which is quite nice to see. You just get to relate, you know, about your daily routine and how we can break it up being here. But yeah, people here have started to set up their little noodle stands, which you can get. Yeah, there's a few small vendors here.
Hot noodles, some coffee sachets. You can get your coconuts. I think we'll get coconut later.
Yeah, I think I'm going to get one now. Quite thirsty and just want to rehydrate a little bit. But yeah, so we'll see you in a bit. We'll see you in a bit then.
See you later.
We are here at Mandorak Beach, which is 3 minutes up the road from Waikrui Lagoon. The current's quite strong at the moment, so you can't really swim in there. But if I turn this thing around,
Look at paradise.
just absolutely beautiful. Loads of little kids here that are just running around. They're really sweet. So.
Sweet kid. Hey, what's your name?
I am Yuli.
And how old is Yuri?
10.
Ah, she's so sweet. She's here. She said, oh, let me take a picture of my sister. So that's cute, isn't it? Ah, so sweet.
So this is my brother, Dami. He's how old is Dami?
10.
10 and 10.
Yes.
11 teen. Okay, so Dami is 11.
My name is Mensi.
How old are you?
I am 10.
10. Everyone 10 years old. So yeah, as we were saying, there's all these little kids who are just, obviously they look after the beach.
Mandorak Beach.
There you go. High five. High five.
Mandorak.
Oh, it's so hard to run in this sand.
So I've just got ready and we're off to do a photo shoot with some horses. We've tried to book it for the sunset time, which is about 5-6ish here. Unfortunately, the sky looks really gloomy, so I don't think we're going to get any sunset today. But nevertheless, I think we'll have a fun shoot with the horses. So we will insert some clips here, or if not, then do follow me at Pink Velvet Box on Instagram for more of that. See you later. Bye.
So? Yeah, stationary for now. Just bring the face. Can he bring the face this way? Just the face. Yeah, okay. Oh, shit, it looks great. It's like a silhouette. It looks sick.